Harley Davidson Road King Special. Best Adventure Motorcycle Hot Rod Bagger. The 2021 Harley Davidson Road King Special is a touring model that the motor company puts in a subcategory Hot Rod Bagger. To earn that title, the Road King Special runs the big Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin and is slammed to the ground with just over 2 inches of rear-wheel suspension travel. New this year is a Daymaker LED headlight and low-slung engine guard. Colors are always an important consideration, and the 2021 Harley Davidson Road King Special has 3 on offer. Vivid Black is the base color, with an MSRP of $22,999. At the top of the price range is the striking Snake Venom paint, which commands a $1,000 premium. In between, you can go with the Sturgis-inspired Deadwood Green for $23,449. We have previously tested the Harley Davidson Road King Special. Harley Davidson Road King Special specs. Engine type: Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin. Displacement: 114 cubic inches, 1868 cubic centimeters. Borax stroke: 4.016 inches by 4.5 inches. Maximum torque: 118 feet per lbs at 3,250 rpm. Compression ratio: 10.5 to 1. Valvetrain, Pushrod, 4 VPC. Cooling: air and oil. Lubrication: dry sump. Transmission: 6-speed cruise drive. Clutch: hydraulically actuated with assist and slipper functions. Primary drive: chain. Final drive: belt. Chassis. Frame: mild tubular steel with 2-piece stamped and welded backbone. Front suspension: Showa 49mm dual bending valve, 4.6 inches of travel. Rear suspension: Emulsion shocks with hand-adjustable spring preload, 2.2 inches of travel. Wheels: gloss black Prodigy. Front wheel: 19 by 3.5. Rear wheel: 18 by 5. Front tire: 130/60x19, Dunlop Harley Davidson D408F. Rear tire: 180/55x18, Dunlop Harley Davidson D407T. Front brakes: 300mm floating discs W/4 piston calipers. Rear brake: 300mm fixed discs W/4 piston caliper. ABS standard. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 64 inches. Seat height: 27.4 inches. Rake: 26 degrees. Fork angle: 29.25 degrees. Trail: 6.9 inches. Fuel capacity: 6 gallons. Estimated fuel consumption: 43 miles per gallon. Curb weight: 807 pounds. Colors and prices. Vivid Black, $22,999 MSRP. Deadwood Green, $23,449 MSRP. Snake Venom, $23,999 MSRP.